This is the first basic skill used in making glass sand art, learning to pour sand flatly. The first point, using the spoon. The tip of the spoon should always be facing towards your own face. With one hand, hold and grip the spoon, and with the other, hold the glass. The second point, pouring sand. Touch the interior surface of the glass with the tip of the spoon and then move the spoon right and left to sprinkle the sand. Turn the glass slowly with the other hand. The main point of glass sand art, all of the art, the designs, patterns, and so on, only happens on the exterior surface with the sand that touches the glass. Sand on the interior side is not visible. Let's try it with the colored sand. Take any color you'd like. Sprinkle the sand only to the surface of the glass and turn the glass little by little. You can see whether the surface is flat or not if you lower your eye level to the same level as the top line of the sand in the glass. When you've made a design, you can see a bump in the center of the glass. So fill up the bump with the sand to support the design on the surface. Take the next color and make flat lines.